Welcome to the Atoms Precision V2 tutorial series. This tutorial focuses on how to create template files in Atoms Precision V2. We're going to create two template files, one using an image captured directly from a camera source and the second one using a DXF file. Let's get started with our first template file. As mentioned before, first we're going to use a camera source device to grab an image and use it to create a template. Before we grab an image from the camera source, we need to make sure the camera device is properly calibrated and an optical profile file saved. I divide this whole process into 4 steps. Step 1 is to capture an image from a camera. Go to the Start tab, select Grab from Camera, and choose the optical profile file of the camera device. Now place a part under the camera and click on Finish Importing. The image is captured immediately and an object contour created by Atoms Precision V2 automatically. Step 2 is to create an orientation setup. Go to the Orientation tab and perform one of the following: Default Orientation, Manual Orientation, Contour Alignment with Default Orientation, or Contour Alignment with Manual Orientation. For your information, the orientation process is explained in detail in the Orientation Setting tutorial. For our case, we choose Contour Alignment with Default Orientation. First, select Contour Alignment from the Orientation Steps panel and then select Yes in the Information window to set the Contour Alignment with Default Start Line and Object Axis setting to complete this step. Step 3 is to create required geometry objects. Geometry objects are created on the template contour and used to generate measurement objects. You can refer to the Create Geometry Objects tutorial to find out more about how geometry objects are created. In this case, I created the required geometry objects for this part, and I just need to make them visible. The final step is to create measurement objects using the earlier created geometry objects. Measurement objects define base dimensions with allowed tolerances, which are used for validation during the measurement process. Once again, refer to the Create Measurement Objects tutorial if you want to learn more about how geometry objects are created. The required measurement objects for this part are listed in the Measurement panel. Let's make them visible. These 4 steps create an Atoms Precision V2 template file. But before we save a template, we need to make sure the measurement light displays a green tick. To save, select the Application tab and click on Save As. Finally, select a document in the default template folder and save the file. The second part of this tutorial explains how to create a template using a DXF file. In Atoms Precision V2, measurement objects can be created directly on a template contour without any existing geometry objects. In this case, measurement is performed by contour comparison of the template and the object to be inspected. If the object contour is within the set tolerance, Atoms Precision V2 will show a green tick. If the deviation is out of tolerance, a red cross will be displayed. I will divide this part of the tutorial into 3 steps. Step 1 is to import a DXF file. Select the Import Source Base File button from the Start tab and choose a DXF file. The DXF file will open in the CAD Contour tab, where we have to define the pixel size value and the contour direction. Step 2 is to set the orientation using Contour Alignment. Orientation is done by clicking on the Contour Alignment button in the Orientation tab. An information window appears where we select Yes to set the contour alignment with predefined start and object axes. The final step is to create the required measurement objects. Go to the Template tab and select the New Measurements between Current Contour and Object Contour button from the Create Object drop-down list. In this case, we'll use the Including Mask option and mask a contour with a tolerance of 0.1 mm. Again, select the Create Object button with the Including Mask option. Mask another part of the contour and complete by setting a tolerance of 0.15 mm. One more time, we select the Create Object command to mask the last area with a tolerance of 0.2 mm. What remains now is to set the tolerance of the unmasked area. Select the Create Object command, select the Excluding Object button, and set the tolerance of the unmasked area to 0.3 millimeters. To complete the creation of this template, make sure the measurement light displays a green tick. In this tutorial, we covered how to create templates using an image file and a DXF file. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and please view the other tutorials in this series to learn more about the features of Atom's Precision V2.